In this guide, you will learn how to cancel order on Groupon. Let's get started. First, launch your Groupon app. Make sure you have already logged into your account. Once you're on the home screen, navigate to the My Stuff page. Next, tap on My Purchases. Here you will find a list of all the Groupons you have purchased or redeemed. Browse through the list and select the specific Groupon order that you would like to cancel. Once you have opened the order details, look for the cancel order option. If the order is eligible for cancellation, you will be able to tap on this option and proceed with the cancellation process. Follow the on-screen instructions to confirm your cancellation request. Groupon may ask you to review the cancellation details before finalizing the process. Once the cancellation has been successfully completed, Groupon will send a confirmation email to the email address associated with your account. Be sure to check your inbox for this email as it confirms that your order has been cancelled successfully. Keep in mind that not all Groupon purchases are eligible for cancellation, and refund policies may vary depending on the deal and the merchant. If you don't see the option of cancel, you may need to contact Groupon customer support for additional assistance. That's it. If this guide helped you out, do not forget to like, share, and subscribe.